Sleepwalking. And I'm trying to work around Chris sleeping on the couch. He's like, get out of here. Just let me do.
Okay,
cheers!
Cheers, motherfuckers!
Oh my God, she wouldn't even let me pee. He said, "You want to see us?" I said,
Okay, but as part of my fantasy, you all have a top hat.
"Okay." And a mask.
Shirley, this is
awesome! Oh my God!
You have to wear your mask.
Right.
Okay, there's plates over there and crackers and.
Oh my gosh! Shirley,
So
we're supposed
let's
to
eat
have a
and
little
then we'll.
snack.
Yeah, let's
I think
eat.
I just came. I'm not sure.
This is awesome.
You want to get your nuts cracked?
Francis just came.
I love it. Can
Oh,
I sit?
Yeah, have a seat. Have a seat.
Oh no, thank you. No, thank you.
You're not a shrimp
Crackers and dip. No, I'm good.
Now you gotta be creepy.
Yeah, he starts off. I
Yeah.
feel it.
I think you're gonna like it. I think you're gonna feel right along. I can't read. Whoa, whoa.
We're good.
Oh yeah. Welcome to my breakdown. I hope I didn't scare you.
We gotta get passionate.
That's just the way we are when we come down. We swear and laugh and scream here, 'cause life is just a dream here.
Just as drunk as we are.
Now it is.
Yep, you're rolling.
Okay.
Give us porno.
Okay.
They've rehearsed.
Oh yeah.
I know these words. Oh, Mark's arm's in the way. Mark, get your arm out of the way.
Welcome to my nightmare.
Try to get your head out of the way.
I think
My
you're
head.
gonna
Yeah. On the
like
screen here.
it.
Shh.
Quiet! Think you're gonna feel like you belong. On an eternal vacation. Unnecessary sedation. You wanna feel at home, 'cause you belong.
Okay, here we go.
Welcome to my nightmare. Whoa, whoa. Welcome to my breakdown. I hope I didn't scare you. That's just the way we are when we come down. We swear to laugh and scream here, 'cause life is just a dream here. You know it's time to feel right at home. Welcome to my nightmare. I think you're gonna like it. I think you're gonna feel getting lonely. We're sweating, laugh and scream here, 'cause life is just a dream, yeah. You know inside you feel right at home, yeah. Welcome to my nightmare room. Welcome to my breakdown.
Okay, take your tops off now.